sculpture is the best comment that a painter can make on painting. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's session is on clay craft. The objects which you are seeing, do they look realistic? These are made with clay and they have been painted. In today's session, how they were made using the clay, I will be explaining to you. I am using the normal clay which is made by mixing the soil and the water. There are two objects which you will see, they will appear to be different. The one which I am holding now, it is wet clay, and the ones which I have kept, they are dried. How the objects are made with clay, there is a detailed session which I conducted, whose video is there and the video description is given in the description below. You can check out the video and watch it. Those who are joining us for the first time, do subscribe the channel and press the notification bell so that when a new video comes out, it reaches out to you, and do give us a like so that the video reaches to more and more people. Clay is applied in bits and pieces, and then fingers are used to give pressure as well as give shape. So some tools which I am using, they are also used to provide particular shape which we want. So you are seeing the shapes which I am making. The tools are not special tools, they are simple wooden pieces. You can use simple objects which are available at home. The main aspect of clay modeling is that the shape is given by putting pressure on the clay. The live sessions which I conduct, they are made to explain steps to the students. So if you want to know detailed steps of how the objects are made, then don't forget to watch the video on the clay modeling. So when we use clay, it dries, so in between you have to make the clay wet and give shape by applying pressure of your fingers. When you apply the pressure, you can change the shape anytime. Now you apply pieces of clay and put pressure and then give it shape. Now you are seeing that the fingers are dried. So I have to keep the object wet and then it dries quickly. In this video I am making objects basically for the beginners. In the advanced stages, I will make sessions and conduct live classes as well as make videos on advanced stage of sculpture. So if you have any queries, you can reach us on our email. There are different art forms which are conducted by us. So when you are handling clay, the entire process depends on how much pressure you are applying and how you are using your fingers to give shape. next object which I make, can you guess what I am making? So whenever we use clay, apply pressure with your hands and your fingers and mold the shape according to your requirement. So clay is a three-dimensional art where we observe the object from all the sides. I am sure if you try your hands with clay modeling, you will fall in love with it and you would like to do more of it. I have found that more than other art forms, clay attracts me more. The reason I have found is because it is clay and every human being is attached to the ground. So that is why clay will definitely attract you. They are not very special tools I am using, they are simple objects which I am using to give shape. These shapes are as per the requirement of the object. Once these objects are ready, then they are dried, and it depends upon the time how much they take to dry. Once they are dried, then you can color them and decorate them as per your requirement. The process of coloring of these clay objects I have explained in another video. The link is given in the description. You can check out how the coloring is to be done. If you are liking the video, then don't forget to give it a like. I am sure you will be tempted to try your hands with clay. So try out your hands and come back to the video and leave your comments. I want to know how many of you have tried your hands and enjoyed. Till we meet in the next video. Bye bye.